Hello, everyone. My family just moved to a new house due to the nature of my husband's work, and winter is approaching. The whole family, especially my children, are extremely excited about arranging and decorating their new space. I also took this opportunity to refresh my home, making it a warm and loving place to welcome winter. Honestly, there's nothing like coming home to a cozy, inviting space on chilly winter days. No matter what kind of house you live in, how much your budget is, or what stage of life you're in, I believe we all crave a cozy, comfortable place to come back to. And winter is the perfect time to create that warmth. Let's explore some simple yet effective tips to transform your home into a space full of love and comfort. Before moving into our new home, I carefully selected only the truly essential items to bring with us because I wanted our new space to always stay organized and airy. You know, one of the key factors in creating a cozy environment is getting rid of unnecessary things. And don't misunderstand, having more stuff doesn't make your home feel warmer. If you want to turn your house into a peaceful retreat where you can relax after long, stressful days, the first thing you should do is declutter. This isn't just about removing items you no longer use, but also about letting go of things that no longer bring joy or value to your life and your family. Sometimes we hold on to things with the hope that one day we'll need them, but in reality, they just take up space and no longer serve any real purpose. Be bold and remove what's unnecessary so your home can remain spacious, bright, and comfortable for everyone. Maintaining a daily and weekly cleaning routine isn't just something you should do. It's the foundation that keeps your home cozy and comfortable. I get it. We're all busy, and sometimes it's tempting to leave it all until the weekend for a big cleaning spree. But trust me, just one day of skipping can make your house look like it's survived a mini storm. Think of cleaning like brushing your teeth. You don't wait until you have free time to do it, right? Just spend a few minutes each day tidying up the little things, organizing your space, and you'll save yourself from dealing with a full-on mess later. Plus, you might find life feels a little lighter when clutter isn't overwhelming your home and your mind. Make it a small daily habit. It doesn't take much time. And remember, cleaning isn't just a chore. It's how you take care of your sanctuary, keeping everything in order and giving you peace of mind. One of the easiest and quickest ways to make your home feel warm and cozy is by adding soft blankets in warm tones, like light brown, terracotta, or burgundy, to your sofa or bed. Don't forget to include a few cozy pillows made from materials like faux fur, wool, or fleece. They not only offer comfort, but also add a touch of warmth to your space. What could be better than curling up on the sofa with a soft, fluffy blanket, a plush pillow by your side, and a warm cup of tea in hand? And who knows, your furry friend might even find their spot on that luxurious cushion. Blankets and pillows don't just provide warmth, they create the ultimate relaxation. Imagine a winter evening wrapped in a thick, soft blanket, watching your favorite movie with family. Just thinking about it brings a sense of comfort, doesn't it? So don't hesitate to experiment with colors and textures. By choosing warm tones and adding a few soft furnishings, you'll not only make your home warmer, but also create a wonderfully inviting, peaceful, and cozy space for everyone. Music has the power to transform living space in the most subtle way. A gentle jazz tune or a simple acoustic melody can instantly soothe and make the atmosphere more pleasant. Music acts as an emotional backdrop, giving every corner of the house a lively feeling, in harmony with the rhythm of your soul. Whenever music fills the room, it seems to envelop the space in a layer of silence, dispelling all cold tension and bringing a feeling of peace and warmth. Placing a few small potted plants in the living space not only helps purify the air, but also breathes new life into the room. Plants like snake plants, ivy, and succulents are great choices because they are easy to care for and have air-purifying properties. These plants not only serve as decoration, but also bring a sense of freshness and peace to the room, soothing the eyes and making the space feel more open and calming. I also love incorporating flowers into my home, especially those that give off a pleasant fragrance. These fresh bouquets not only beautify the space, but also fill the house with a natural, refreshing scent that can last for a whole week, keeping the air soft and fragrant. In fact, fragrance isn't just a small detail. It's an essential piece that completes the atmosphere, turning your home into a warm and peaceful retreat after a long day. And if you want to add a touch of romance and relaxation to your space, candles are the perfect choice. I especially prefer candles with a gentle, soothing scent and soft lighting, as they can instantly transform a room into a cozy and serene haven. The tranquility and comfort will wash over you, leaving you so relaxed that you won't want to leave that cozy corner. I love making my home feel cozy by cooking and creating dishes that bring warmth and sweet flavors to the space. Baking cookies, cakes, or golden-crusted bread not only satisfies the taste buds, but also fills the entire house with a delightful, inviting aroma. The scent of freshly baked goods wafting through the rooms makes the living space feel comfortable, relaxing, and incredibly appealing. During the winter months, I especially enjoy cooking stews and soups because they not only warm the body, but also fill the home with a rich, comforting fragrance. A pot of simmering soup or stew on the stove not only promises a delicious meal, but also brings warmth to the house, driving away the chill of winter. As the aroma spreads, the whole family can feel the coziness and warmth of a home filled with life. Cooking is also a wonderful way to bring everyone in the family together. Spending time in the kitchen, preparing delicious meals together, creates lasting memories and strengthens relationships, turning the house into more than just a physical space. Whether simple or elaborate, family meals foster a sense of intimacy and connection, making the home a place full of warmth and happiness. Imagine you've just come home after a long day, and outside, the cold is biting. As you open the door, the harsh overhead light hits you, making it feel like you've walked into a supermarket. Overhead lights can be useful, but when you need relaxation and coziness, they're not exactly the best choice. Instead of that glaring brightness, why not opt for table lamps or floor lamps with warm lighting? The light from these lamps is not only soft and soothing, but also creates a sense of closeness and calm in your space. It feels as if your home is wrapping its arms around you, easing away the stress of the day. Thick curtains are truly an essential element when it comes to keeping your home warm, especially during the cold winter days. Did you know that a large portion of heat in your home can escape through the windows? That's why investing in thick curtains not only helps retain heat inside, but also prevents cold drafts from entering. Additionally, thick curtains offer extra privacy and create a cozier, more comfortable atmosphere. Don't forget to close your curtains at night when outdoor temperatures drop to create the best insulation between your indoor space and the chilly weather outside. Nowadays, there are many types of thermal curtains available in a variety of styles and materials for you to choose from, ranging from fleece and velvet to specially designed thermal curtains. You can opt for warm tones like brown, gray, or beige to not only retain warmth, but also add a stylish touch to your room. Using rugs is one of the most effective ways to keep your living space warm, especially during the winter months. Did you know that a significant amount of heat in a room can escape through the floor, particularly wooden, tile, or stone floors? This can make the room feel cold, and stepping onto a freezing floor in the morning can send shivers down your spine. Laying down rugs not only helps retain heat, but also creates an insulating layer between you and the floor, making the space feel much warmer and more comfortable. Rugs also protect your feet and those of your family members from the coldness of the floor, which is especially helpful if you have young children or elderly people in the house. Take full advantage of natural sunlight, a free and incredibly powerful heater. On sunny days, pull back all the curtains and open the windows to let the warm rays flood your home. Sunlight not only provides natural warmth, but also creates a bright, fresh, and energetic atmosphere. Additionally, sunlight has antibacterial properties, making the air in your home cleaner and more refreshing. Let the light shine into areas like the living room and dining room, where you and your family spend the most time. This not only helps you save on electricity, but also brings a cozy, natural warmth, chasing away the chill of winter. Dear friends, winter may be cold, but there are so many ways to make it warm and cozy. It might sound strange when I say that winter is my favorite season, but it's true. Every time winter comes, I find warmth in my own home, surrounded by coziness while the world outside is chilly. I hope these little tips I've shared will help you get your home ready to welcome the upcoming winter season. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I wish you a day filled with happiness and love. See you soon!